Hello everyone, this is Bidas Salam from PES Media, and in this video let's talk about Elementor import and export kit here. This is one of the new new feature of Elementor PES Builder. It is available in Elementor free version, and it is not fully launched yet. It is in or experiment stage or beta or alpha stage here. I just updated Elementor. Now it is Elementor 3.2 here. Okay, here in the Elementor, or here version control, tools, version control here. Now it is currently 3.2. I just updated today. Here, yeah. We got this. We have this new feature called Elementor import and export kit. What it does is we can export all the Elementor contents site settings for further use or future use. If I export this website Elementor content, then you can import it for your own use. So it is very convenient for Elementor designer like us, for YouTubers like us who want to share Elementor layout templates. We can share to our subscribers. It is very convenient, and with this feature we no longer need migration plugins, third-party migration plugins like duplicator. We no longer need. We can use this feature to export site settings here. As you can see here, if I export here, it can export templates, content, Elementor pages, landing pages, and site settings, global colorful, and yeah, here. And it is kinda, yeah, you may ask, it's kinda replacement or replication of the WordPress tool here called import export. Here WordPress also has got tool to export all the website WordPress contents. Here you can export everything, every content of the website in XML format, and you can import it here with this import tool. And one of the drawback of this import export tool of WordPress, default WordPress is that if you want to import, you have to install this WordPress importer tool itself. This is not part of the WordPress core. You have to install this feature again if you want to import the content that exported from the other WordPress website. Okay, with this Elementor new tool import export kit, we can export our website developed in the local environment or stage development environment, and export to our live server, to live website for or you yeah, and or you can share with your friends, you can share to your customers. So it is a very convenient tool, and I am very thankful to Elementor developers for developing this new feature, import export feature. It is not yet fully launched, and I'm looking forward to the fully developed feature of this tool. And I hope this news is very helpful to you too. I'm very happy about this, and I hope you are happy too. Okay, see you in the next video.